Hello dear student, myself Swati Putane. Welcome to English class. Today we are going to learn new lesson number 2.4, Unity is Strength. In this lesson we are going to understand what is a unity. Unity means togetherness. If we stand together, we can fight with any problem. Student, I am going to read the lesson as well as explain also. Listen it carefully. Lesson number 2.4, Story Time, Unity is a Strength. Listen, repeat and enact. An old man lived with his 4 sons in a village. The old man was worried. His sons were always quarreling with each other. They would never agree on any point. The old man had tried telling them many times to avoid the fighting, but his sons would not listen to him. They would fight for everything. Student, you can see here the old man and his sons. The old man was worried. Worried means what? Unhappy. Why old man was worried? Because his sons were always quarreling with each other. Quarreling means what? They fighting with each other. The old man always tried to tell them to stop the fighting, live together, help each other, but his sons would not listen to him. One day he called his 4 sons. He gave them a small bundle of sticks and asked them to break the bundle into 2. "It's so easy," said the eldest son. He took the bundle and tried to break it. He was surprised that the stick in the bundle remained unbroken. He used more force. He tried again and again, but the bundle of sticks did not break. He gave up. Here you can see in this picture, the eldest son tried to break the bundle of stick. Bundle means what? The number of things are tied together. Here you can see the bundle of stick. The elder son told, "It's so easy." He took the bundle, tried a lot to break, but at last he gave up the hopes. Then his brothers tried to break the bundle of sticks. They tried hard, but they too could not succeed. Their father smiled and asked them to untie the bundle. Now the sticks were separated. He gave each brother a single stick and asked them to break it. Each of the sons took a stick in her hand. In no time, the sticks were bent and broken. Here you can see their brothers. Then his brothers tried to one by one to break the bundle of sticks, but all of them could not succeed. The father was smiled and told them to untie the bundle, means separate the stick from the bundle. Then all the sons take a single stick in their hands. The old man told them to try to break the sticks. This time very easy to break the stick because there is a single stick. A single stick easily broken. If 4 sticks come together, it is impossible to break them. If you are united, help each other and live in friendship, you will be stronger than any enemy. But if you are divided among yourselves and keep fighting, you will be as weak as the single stick in that bundle. The old man gave them the lesson from this thing. A single stick easily broken, but When the four sticks come together, it is impossible to break them. So if you are united, help each other, live together, you are stronger than any enemy. But when you are keep fighting, you are separated, you are become very weak. Remember, united we stand, divided we fall, said the old man, giving his sons a meaningful look. This time the brothers learned a lesson. They stopped the fighting with each other. They started to work together as a team, and that really helped them. Now their four brothers stop fighting, they help each other. Now they start the work as a team. Here you can see in this picture. What we learn from this story? We learn united we stand and divided we fall. Now we are going to see the hard words. WORRIED, worried. QUARRELING, quarreling. AGREE, agree. BUNDLE, bundle. STICKS, sticks. SURPRISED, surprised. UNBROKEN, unbroken. IMPOSSIBLE, impossible. UNITED, united. FRIENDSHIP, friendship. Now we see the answer the following questions. Why was the old man worried? The old man was worried because his sons were always quarreling with each other. They would never agree on any point. What happened when the sons tried to break the bundle of sticks? The bundle of sticks did not break when the sons tried to break it. What happened with the single sticks? The single sticks was bent and easily broken. What lesson did the sons learn? The sons learned that a lesson of unity is a strength. If we are united, we will be stronger than any